Hello guys, this is a fidget cube. Not the fidget cube in real, it's a Chinese replica. Because today fidget cube original one is super expensive, around $20, but this one is around free. But you can find cheaper models in China. And I asked the seller about the good quality stuff, not binded to the price, just send me good quality stuff, okay? He sent me the link to this model and I paid for it and I got it finally. Let's check this out. It's a little instruction. This is a funny parody for the fidget cube. You can read about functions here, but half of this function don't work. It will be like a comparison, yeah, with the original stuff. Click in metal ball. Nothing. Gears. It should be clicking gears, like when you making some passcode on your secret storage, but nothing. And one of it is scratching. Silenced buttons. You can find it here because there are 5 clicking buttons. Spinning. It works, but not a good way. Not in good way. You can feel scratching. Plastic and plastic. Not comfortable. Switcher is okay. Simple function. Works correctly. Joystick is also okay. I wonder it, but clicking and moving, you even can turn it with increasing pressure. Cool. This is just a soft touch panel. $3. Description. Doesn't work in general. I hope I'll find a better model to share a link with you and to make it clear that can you find a good Chinese one or not. Bye.